Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use an enchant stone at Esoteric Depths in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to upgrade your fishing rod with powerful game-changing perks like Mutation Hunter or Empowered, the Esoteric Depths hold the key to the enchantment altar in Fish It Roblox. So here you can just head into the Esoteric Island first and go in here, go down to the Esoteric Depths, and you need to pay for 400 coins so that you can get into the elevator. So just pay for the elevator and let's go down to the Esoteric Depths. Okay, so let's just go in here. And you can just hold your enchant stone first. Okay, after you hold that, you can head into the altar in here. And just put the enchant stone to the altar. Okay, now you can your rod has been upgraded. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.